Yeah. Tech tuners in the house. Cloud computing on a beat.
Ace, let's go!
Back in the day, servers filled the room. Hardware crashes bringing projects doom. Now we got cloud, everything's okay. Amazon Web Services leading the way. Need a server? EC2 is here. Launch it in seconds, no need to fear. Scale it up fast when traffic gets high. Your application touching the sky. Cloud power putting systems to the test.
HD2!
What's going in the future for me and you? Cloud power putting systems to the test.
Lambda, ham, watch us fly. Running application from where you buy.
Got files and backups, S3's the boss. Stores your data safe, no matter the cost. Pictures, videos, documents too. Ebola worldwide whenever you do. Needs database, RDS got your back. MySQL and Postgres keeping apps on track. No manual backups, OS takes care. Developers relax without a worry to bear. Cloud power putting systems to the test.
Lambda, IAM, watch us fly. Running applications way up high.
Lambda so cool, no server to maintain. Run your code instantly, that's the game. Pay for usage, not a machine. Serverless computing keeps it clean. IAM says who gets access today. Security first,